Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make honey garlic pork chop, and these are the ingredients you need. I got about 2 pounds of pork chop, 4 slices, and I chop it into small pieces. 6 cloves of garlic, a teaspoon of minced ginger, honey, black pepper, salt, cornstarch, light soy sauce, and dark soy sauce. I'm going to prepare the marinade. Half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon dark soy, 1 tablespoon light soy, and 1 teaspoon minced ginger. Now you mix. Now I'm going to add in the pork chop to the marinade sauce. So we're going to mix it until everything is coated. Now that everything is coated, I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and mix it. After mixing, let it marinate for 15 minutes. In the meantime, I am mincing the garlic. I'm cooking in medium heat and my pan is hot. So I'm going to put in about a tablespoon of oil. So put all the meat pieces into the pan and pan fry it till golden brown. So it takes about 2 minutes on this side. Okay, it's been 2 minutes and let me check. Turn everything and cook for another 2 minutes on the other side. 2 minutes has passed and my pork chop is still not cooked, and I can see the blood is still coming out, so I'm going to leave it for 1 more minute. I'm going to turn it again to the other side. Still a little bit blood, so that's why I'm turning it for another minute. Okay, so it will be 3 minutes on both sides of the pork chop. Okay, 1 minute has passed by after I turn, and it's cooked because when you stop it, it goes in easily, so the meat is cooked. So take it out and set it aside. This is the extra juice coming out from the pork chop while pan frying, so I'm going to save it. If I need it, I will use it. Now, after taking out the sauce, I am going to add about a tablespoon of oil in the pan, and I am putting in the garlic. It's medium heat that I'm using, and just pan fry until the aroma comes out from the garlic. Now I can smell the garlic, and the garlic is also golden brown, so I'm going to add in the honey. And shut off the heat because the pan is hot, otherwise the honey will burn. So all the honeys are in. Give it a stir. And now add back the pork chop. Toss it. Now everything is mixed, so I'm going to put it back into the plate. And the extra sauce, you can use it for something else, but it tastes delicious. So I'm just going to put it back into the plate. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.